Welcome to Module 13. It's all about leveraging AI and telling you about different tools within the AI realm to help you in your journey of content creation. So, one of the things you have to remember is that technology is not going to be slowing down. And if you don't start using it in the right way and accepting it, you're going to be left in the past. And especially with the power of artificial intelligence, AI, and all these innovative tools, it's completely transformed the way you can create, edit, distribute, plan, absolutely everything. So this module, I'm going to cover 3 different sections: planning, video, and audio. And these AI tools of how you can pretty much for free, I believe they're all free, or mostly for free anyways, but these AI tools and how you can use them in your day-to-day content creation, how I've used them, and some of the crazy things going on out there. So stick around. We have some awesome new things coming up. I'm going to show you firsthand how I use all of these. They're super simple and super effective. So check it out. See you in 13.1.